Hello, YTPC family. I hope everybody is doing amaze balls. I have an interesting story. If you have watched some of my very early videos, you know of my father's love of pipes back in the late 60s, early 70s, 80s when he smoked a multitude of pipes. And I was going through some boxes today and I found another pipe that I completely forgot that I even had. This pipe is from 1940, I believe. At least that's what Dad told me at the time. Because this pipe was started in the 1930s by a gentleman who took or used a doctor's name for the pipe because he thought it would be more healthful. Heath. Healthful. Holy crap. Anyway, and I noticed that if you've seen some of my earlier videos, Dad's pipes had a feather on it. I don't know if you can see it. This little spade, I guess, I don't know. This is a Dr. Grabo imported briar. I thought this was really cool. This really reminds me of some of the pipes I've seen Jordan on Tortuga Pipes smoke. And maybe, Jordan, you've got some history. I've done my perplexity.ai search on Dr. Grabo pipes and the history and World War II and briars and the lack of back in those days and all that kind of stuff. Then maybe some future videos coming out. But I'm going to light this puppy up for the very first time. If I can get my lighter to work. Using the breath method. This might be my new early morning pipe. Apparently my dog has come to see me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Up here. Come on. Say hello. Say hello to the pipe community. Hello. Go get mommy. Go get her. It smokes really well. I have some Steamworks. Haven't smoked this in probably a month. Saw a couple of folks commenting on some videos where they talked about that the breath method has been their default method since day one. So, very interesting. It's been a very warm, sticky day today. And I had some opportunity today that I'm going to try to throw in about right here, the video of the floating cross frame that I made today. I think it turned out pretty decent. It's my first one, trying to figure out how to get it lined up exactly and how to make sure it's connected at the bottom and it stays, it's secure. A little bit of a chore. And with that, I've already had the to-do list for Christmas and friends, so might be a video of a floating cross how-to video coming soon. Well, today is Sunday. Tomorrow is, I don't want to say Monday, because I can't say yay for Mondays. But it's still a 4 10-hour week. Friday's off, 3-day weekend, so that's good. Excited about that. As always, I hope everybody is doing amazeballs. I hope you and your family are healthy and happy. I hope you have a great pipe, great tobacco. And as I always say at the end of my videos, and I ask you to say it with me, be great.